Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making peach cobbler. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 3 pounds of frozen peaches, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of butter, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. For the crust, you'll need 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cold butter, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of ice water. Combine your salt and flour, then using a food processor or handheld pastry blender, cut in your cold butter. Transfer the flour mixture to a large bowl, then slowly add the ice water. Mix until it forms a dough, then divide in half, wrap in saran wrap, then transfer to the refrigerator for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we're going to use 1/2 of our dough to form our bottom crust. On a clean and floured surface, now we can knead our dough. Now flour your rolling pin, then roll the dough to fit your pan. Lightly sprinkle your dough with a small amount of cinnamon and sugar. Now transfer to the preheated oven and cook for 12 minutes. Remove it from the oven, then set it aside until later. Using medium heat, bring a large pan to temperature and melt your butter. Now add your peaches and occasionally stir for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the granulated sugar and brown sugar. After your sugar has completely dissolved, add the milk. Now add the vanilla, nutmeg, and cinnamon and continue cooking until your peaches just begin to soften. Turn off the heat, then add the lemon juice. Transfer the peaches to the baking dish, then cover with your remaining dough. Transfer it to the oven and bake for 40 to 45 minutes. This is my favorite peach cobbler recipe. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome. to crafts, how to make great food with Steph's